Firstly, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am Tabish Raza from Razanagar, Rafiganj. Today, I am going to share some point of protocol about English. Firstly, what is English? English is an international language as well as subject. It is official language of many developed and developing countries. Now I am going to tell what is language and how many parts of language. Language is the medium of communication, and there are 5 parts of communication. Language. First, regional language. Regional language that we speak, that all speak, that is called regional language. Second, national language. We all know that Hindi is our national language. Third, international language. We all know that English is an international language, and English is the easiest source of communication. My fourth point is body language. Body language, that means how we speak, how to express myself from others. My hand portions, my eye contact and smiles, that is called body language. And the most important thing is eye contact. When we talk each other and we see their eyes, in their eyes, then they think, I hear her voice and I am interested about him. And last point is binary language. Binary language which computer understand, that is called binary language, and binary language is 0 and 1. Next, I want to come on the point of communication. What is communication? So, I want to tell communication is the medium of human expression, and it is also 3 parts. Communication is also 3 parts. First, oral communication, that means we speak and other person hear my voice, that is called oral communication. And second point is written communication. Written communication, that means we write on pages and on computer and other things, that is called written communication. And last point is symbolic communication. So symbolic communication, that means we express our feelings in an emoji, that is called symbolic communication. That means a smiley face, sad face, and many types of symbol, that is called symbolic communication. Now I am coming on the point symbol. Symbol is a meaningful icon. As @ exclamation marks, a smiley face, sad face, and weeping face, etc., etc. My last point is difference between sounds of men and animals. The difference is that we can hear and write the sounds of men, but the voice of animals we cannot hear and cannot understand, so we cannot write them in text and other words. At last, I would like to thank Kaviraj sir and ARCC. That's all. Thank you.